A delayed Walmart Spark Driver payment is usually caused by an incomplete payout setup, a banking issue, or a processing delay, rather than missing earnings from completed deliveries. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find the cause of the delay and the fastest steps to get your payout moving again. Start by confirming that the delivery appears as completed in the Spark Driver app. If an order is still marked as active, canceled, or under review, the payment may not be released until the delivery status is finalized. Next, check your payout information. Open your Spark Driver account settings and verify that your payment method is still active and your banking details are correct. Even a small mistake in your account information can prevent funds from being deposited successfully. If you're using a payment platform connected to Spark, sign into that platform separately and look for any notifications requesting identity verification or account updates. Missing verification steps can temporarily pause payouts until they're completed. Now review your recent payment history inside the Spark Driver app. Compare the completed trips with the payments you've already received. This helps determine whether the delay affects one delivery or your entire account. Another simple fix is updating the Spark Driver app to the latest version. An outdated app may not display current payment information correctly. After updating, completely close the app, reopen it, and refresh your earnings screen. You should also check your bank account directly instead of relying only on app notifications. Banks sometimes process incoming deposits before mobile notifications appear, and notification delays can make it seem like a payment hasn't arrived. If you recently changed your bank account or payment method, verify that the update was saved successfully. Switching payment details close to a payout period may delay the next transfer while the new information is validated. If the app shows the payment as sent but your bank hasn't received it, contact your financial institution first. They can confirm whether a pending deposit is already being processed. If no payment has been issued inside the Spark Driver app after your completed deliveries, contact Spark Driver support. Provide the delivery date, trip information, and the affected payout so support can investigate the transaction. The quickest way to resolve delayed payments is to verify your completed deliveries, confirm your payout information, check your connected payment account, review your bank directly, and contact Spark Driver support if the payment still hasn't been issued. Those steps solve the majority of payment delay issues without creating duplicate support requests. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.